Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious corn pie using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. This recipe is perfect for a weeknight dinner, offering a hearty and flavorful option without much fuss. We'll cover everything from preparing the filling to baking it to golden perfection. Get ready to enjoy a wonderful, homemade corn pie that everyone will love. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 1 package of corn mince, which forms the base of our savory filling. Don't forget your favorite vegetables like diced carrots, peas, and finely chopped onions to add flavor and texture. For convenience, a ready-made pie crust, either short crust or puff pastry, will save you time and effort. Now, let's cook our delicious filling. Start by sautéing the corn mince with your prepared vegetables in a pan until they are tender and fragrant. Next, pour in a rich gravy or your preferred savory sauce, making sure it thoroughly coats all the ingredients. Allow the mixture to simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, letting the flavors meld and the filling thicken to a perfect consistency. Finally, it's time to assemble and bake your pie. Carefully spoon the warm, savory corn filling into your prepared pie crust. Then, place a second pie crust on top, or get creative with a lattice design. Crimp the edges to seal and bake in a preheated oven at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.